Right, a makita hammer, HM1202C. Not sure if this one's going to be worth fixing or not. Doesn't sound healthy. There's the problem. The bearing's totally shot. That'll damage the gears. There we go. Nah, no good. Teeth are totally worn out in that armature. The gears. You can see how much they're worn through. That's not going to last much longer anyway. Much point in putting a bearing on it. It's going to make a wild racket and it's not going to last. Only way to fix it, put on a new armature. 160 quid for that, but the meshing gears for this camshaft, they're worn as well, so to replace that as well, you're up into €250, and this thing's from 2007. It's just getting too risky, too much money to be fixing, to be honest. You fix it up to think it need a service then again. Need all the parts changed for the seals and off the hammer. You could be over €300. This could turn into a bit of a money trap, so I'm gonna have to leave it at that. Just not worth fixing at that. And I actually have this in stock as well. Oh well. Sadly, you just can't fix them all.